So we've got a running toilet, and the cause is not the flapper. It's the fill valve. And today, you and I are going to replace the fill valve, and we're only going to need one tool. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. Let's dive in. So we've all been there. Do you jiggle the handle? You have to jiggle the handle.
And I always wonder, what is the highest echelon that has ever been expressed? Excuse me, Queen Elizabeth? You're gonna need to jiggle the handle. You know,
If you're gonna go to that bathroom,
you're gonna need...
At what point did they tell you not to jiggle the handle? What point in your profession, at what point in your career do you not jiggle the handle? So you've got water and money that runs down the drain. And you've tried everything, replacing the flapper, but the cause is not the flapper. It's the fill valve. Now, step one is we're going to turn off the water to the tank. Then we're going to flush it and drain the tank. Now, because we're going to be removing the fill valve, we're going to need to drain the water out because the water is going to spill right out the bottom where the fill valve sits in. So we're going to get a hand towel and drain out all the water from the fill valve. So after you turn off the water and drain the tank, you're going to want to remove the supply line from the fill valve. You want to have a towel underneath to catch any drips. Next, you want to remove the nut from the fill valve. Remove the overflow hose and pull the valve out. Then we have the replacement. Has an overflow line. I'm just going to use the existing and put that right in there. Now we put the new fill valve down in there. Nut. I think the old nut is more stout than the new nut. This is a nylon nut, so you don't have to tighten it too far. Just snug it up and then check for leaks. Now we're going to put our supply line on the fill valve. Wait, wipe, and check again. Put the overflow line on there. Now we're ready to turn the water on. Now we're going to open the valve. Now you're going to see that float lift and the water cuts off. That's what you want. And just like that, you solved your running toilet problem with just one tool. I'm Eddie Field for Field Guided DIY. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.